Hi everyone, welcome to another drawing session. In this video, we are going to draw a mouse with crayon etching scratch art. This is one of art technique. If you like crayon etching scratch art, you can watch them. There are a few videos about them in my channel. And here, let's draw the mouse like this. You can use any tool what you can scratch the colors. This is pastel colors. Eye, small eye. Here for the nose, like this. You can draw any art with these art techniques. Here for the body, a somewhat large round. And these are for the legs. Two lines through the legs for show the fingers. And here the hand. This is the tail. And I add few lines through the tail like this with same spaces. And I draw a heart like this and remove the all black color pastel with scratching it like this. Don't be quick. You should do this so much slowly like this. This is somewhat a relaxing art. And here I scratch the ears like this. For this etching scratch art, firstly I use dark blue and yellow color, and after that I add black color all over the place. After that I am scratching the art. Here the ears. And I scratch the hands like this. And after that I scratch the legs. If you like, you can save them, but here I remove the black pastel with scratching like this. So we finish our mouse. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.